In this video, I will show you how to log in your MetaTrader5 account. So the first step is to simply open the mobile app on your device, and after that you're gonna have to simply go to settings. So as you can see here at the bottom you have the settings option. Simply tap on that, and as you can see I'm already connected to my account. So if I tap on it, we can see here my account. Now you're gonna have to simply tap on new account, and then here you're gonna have to simply find your broker. So as you can see here, you can simply type in any name. So as you can see, one of the most popular one are FTMO. So you can simply tap on that, and here you have the option to log into your account. So you're gonna have to select the server. So you can see you have different servers. You have the demo one where you can basically paper trade, so you can learn how you can trade by using the demo one. But if you want to trade real money, you're gonna have to choose a server. So as you can see, you have 4 different servers for FTMO. So basically, when you create your account, you're gonna receive on your email your login credentials. So you're gonna have to simply enter your account number and then the password, and then simply tap on done, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.